Hey guys, so today I have a few first impressions of three products I've been asked an awful lot about. I've got the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Cream, which I got a sample of because it's like $100. So if I wasn't gonna like it, I didn't want to spend $100 and have the gigantic jar. I've also got the Glow Recipe New Guava C and the Geek and Gorgeous Poreless and Clear Serum. So let me start with the Tatcha. So this one I actually really do like. I probably would purchase a full size of it, but it's expensive. But anyway, I'm liking it. I will say it has no scent to it, which is nice. It's probably geared towards those with drier skin, but it's a nice moisturizer. I would say with winter coming, and it's getting very dry out. To be 100% honest, I've been testing this one, but I've also been testing this Accent SOS Sleeping Mask. And I like this one a little bit better. It's expensive too, but it's about half the price of the Tatcha. So this one's also nice, gel texture, wonderful, no fragrance. So this one I find it to be just a little bit more hydrating, a little bit more exciting ingredients, but the Tatcha's first two ingredients, water and then Dimethicone. So not super exciting. Also, I don't know, warranting $100 price tag. I don't know. We've got the Ferment, the green tea ferment, which is always wonderful. Then we've got some filler ingredients, slip ingredients, and then we've got ceramides, which are always nice to see. I always wonder now if they're in the proper ratio amount to be effective. If you didn't watch my video about ceramides, check it out. It raises a lot of good questions about ceramides and skincare products and how, if they actually do anything. Sodium hyaluronid's high up there. We've got a few other ferments. And then the couple things I don't get excited in seeing in a night cream, titanium dioxide. I just don't get super excited seeing it in a night cream because I just think of sunscreen. Would I want something with titanium dioxide sit in my skin all night long? Because titanium dioxide is typically used for UV filters or sometimes to give things a little bit of a shimmer like that. So I'm torn on it. I like it at this point. I don't know if I'd buy the full size. There it is on my hand. I mean, it offers some nice hydration, but it's nothing over the top amazing. So I'm torn. Those are my first thoughts. It's good. I like that it has no scent. That's always nice. But overall, the ingredients just aren't overly thrilling to me. But we do have some nice antioxidants and skin identical ingredients. Okay, let me talk about the Glow Recipe, Guava. This one I'm enjoying. So what I will say is it doesn't use L-ascorbic acid, which is the most proven vitamin C ingredient. It uses 5 different derivatives, which I like because derivatives at this point just don't have enough research to have proven to me that they are equally as great as the regular L-ascorbic acid. But if you're going to use a product with a derivative, you know what? Go with all 5 of them because maybe 10 years down the road, 2 of them get proven to be great and the other 3 aren't that great. Maybe 1 of them, but at least we've got 5 of them in here. So it increases the likelihood that you're going to do something good for your skin by going with the derivative. We also have a high amount of tranexamic acid, which is great for brightening skin, especially older areas of hyperpigmentation. Apple fruit, we've got lots of fruits in here, banana, apricot, pear, which is always fine. They're skin conditioning ingredients. They're not crazy like antioxidants or anything, but they're good for your skin. And then the rest of the ingredients, we've got betaine, lecithin, some skin soothing hydrating ingredients. But overall, there's no real added fragrance, but it does have a fruit scent to it, which probably from banana, pear, apricot. But it does work nicely under my skin. I will say after using it for a couple weeks now, I don't notice necessarily any crazy brightening from it, but I'm sure with the tranexamic acid, it is brightening the skin up, but just probably not enough that I notice it instantly. So, and a lot of like brightening ingredients need to be used for weeks, a couple months before you really have any noticeable benefits from it. So overall, this one's nice. I am enjoying it. For the price, it's a little pricey, but I guess if you're going to go with a derivative, go with something that has them all in case one of them is proven to be right and the rest end up be proven not so right. So, okay, next up I've got the Geek and Gorgeous Poreless and Perfectly Clear. Perfectly Clear. A 2% salicylic acid serum. I'm loving this one. It's great. If you have been looking for an alternative to a Paula's Choice BHA product, this is probably one of the better ones out there. We've got 2% of that. What else do they have in here? Some slip ingredients, allantoin, which is always nice. And that's about it. So they kind of do more of a thing like The Ordinary where they focus on one main ingredient. I'm going to find my pH strips quick and do a pH test. Because they advertise the pH on here, but until you actually test it, I pretty much trust Geek and Gorgeous. I will say that. But you know what? Trust. I always say that trust but verify. You know what? You can trust, but make sure that if you trust them, they're doing the right thing. So it's always good to double check. So same thing with YouTubers. You know what? Trust but verify. Check them out, but you know what? Sometimes some YouTubers go sensational. They like to do things that are rumors just to get more clicks. I don't know. Trust but verify. So always do your homework. So, okay. So we did a little dabble on this, and it looks like they are saying the truth. It's right in between 3 and 4. Sorry, there you go. I hate these test strips. I like my other ones better, but anyway. So I'd say right between 3 and 4, which is where I want my salicylic acid serum to be. Between 3 and 4 gives you the best results, although there's some research that shows it's not necessarily so pH dependent, but for my benefits and results, I've noticed better ones when the pH is between 3 and 4. That's just me. So maybe not everyone has that same thing. But anyway, this serum, I'm loving it. Really nice. You can see, there we go. Absorbs. Works nice. I've been using it in my evening routine now since I got it. And really happy with it. So, and it's super affordable compared to Paula's Choice. This brand is one to watch out for. They've got some amazing stuff. So really happy with them. So anyway, those are my first impressions. I'm testing on another new brand. Glow Hub. I don't know. I'm obsessed with trying new things, and they're at Beauty Bay, and these two products I'm very excited to test. They have a lot of products that have fragrance in them. These two did not, which were the Scar Slayer and the Barrier Builder. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll give it a whirl. But anyway, so I'm interested in from you guys if you have anything new, or if you have anything new that you're not going to buy. Save money when you can. Seriously, I'd rather you guys save 20 bucks than get a 2% commission on whatever you buy. Seriously. So anyway. And you know what? Save up money in case you ever adopt a dog because they're expensive. Okay. Anyway, lots of expensive dog stuff happening today. Gizmo, he's got an enlarged heart. Got to check that out. Ike might need some type of stem cell therapy because he's had hip dysplasia when he was a puppy, which is why we took him in. And nobody else wants a dog that needs a $4,000 surgery except me because I'm crazy. And now, years later, he needs more. Not surgery, but more treatment for his pain. So anyway, I'm just like my mom. She rescued Gizmo when he had a little broken leg and 1 kidney. So that's just me. Hey, any dog with expensive needs, let me know. I'll take them. And yeah, anyway, there we go. I'll never afford a new car, but I've got dogs with hips that we're working on and a heart that we're working on. So anyway, okay, makes sense Gizmo's an enlarged heart because he's so heartful and so sweet. So anyway, okay, totally off the dot. Okay, love you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you more tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.